Think about the last AI project you saw which was launched with tons of hype. Was it a complete game changer or did it fizzle for a few months and then quietly disappeared? The truth is, most AI initiatives are one-hit wonders. Impressive initial plots that can't handle the messy reality of production, changing data, and real-world scale. They are built fast and dirty, and they are skipping crucial steps for long-term health. We are great at starting AI, but we are terrible at architecting it for the long haul. How do we build AI that isn't just a prototype, but a durable and sustainable system? To build for sustainability, we need more than just smart data scientists. We need a rigorous and repeatable process. Here, we need TOGAF and specifically its engine, the Architecture Development Method or ADM. Now you may think ADM is too clunky for agile AI, but that's exactly where you are wrong. ADM isn't a waterfall. It is designed to be iterative with loops for continuous feedback and refinement. This makes it perfectly suited for the AI lifecycle, which is fundamentally more experimental and feedback driven than traditional software development. The ADM crop cycle isn't just a process, it's your blueprint for architecting AI that lasts. Let's walk through the ADM cycle specifically reimagined for an AI world. We can't cover it all today, but let's hit two critical points where traditional software thinking fails AI. First, Phase A, Architecture Vision. In traditional software, this might be a vague improve your user experience goal. In AI, you must define ethical AI guardrails right here. Before you collect a single data point, you architect how will you address bias, fairness, transparency, and explainability. Your vision is your ethical framework. Skipping this isn't just bad ethics, it's bad architecture that will lead to project failure later when regulators or public trust catches up. Architect your values into the system from day one. Second, let's jump to phase G, which is implementation of guardrails. In software engineering, governance might be just to ensure that the code meets the style guides. While in AI, this phase requires continuous monitoring for model drift and bias. Your AI model isn't static. The real world changes, hence the model drifts. And your data also changes, which introduces new biases. Your architecture must include automated pipelines and governance processes to constantly evaluate the model's performance in the wild and alert you when it degrades, and later trigger retraining cycles or ethical interventions. Governance for AI is runtime operations. It is not just paperwork. And here is the absolute critical point for secure AI. Security is not a check the box step at the end. This is traditional software thinking that spells disaster for the AI. Security angle means emphasizing that security is a continuous loop within the entire ADM cycle. So, you architect security into your vision, which is phase A. Then, you design it into your data handling, which is phase C. Later, you implement it into your technology stack, which is phase D. And then, you govern and monitor it continuously during the operation, which is phase G. Secure AI requires secure architecture from beginning to the end. Building sustainable AI isn't magic, it's methodology. By applying the ADM cycle to your AI project from robust ethical visioning in phase A to continuous runtime governance in phase G. You shift from building flashy one-hit wonders to architecting resilient, secure, and truly sustainable AI systems that can deliver real value for the long term. If you are ready to learn how to weave security and PQC, which is post quantum cryptography, into this architectural loop, check my playlist on PQC and TOGAF. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tiny tech talks like this. I am Amit, and thank you for architecting for future.